Welcome, here I've got Motorola Razr 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and focus on the primary camera and internal camera settings at the first position here, and here we have the photo size. So for now, for example, let me pick primary camera photo size to show you how it works. Here we have the ratio connected with the resolution, as you can see. So to 4:3 ratio we have 12 megapixels resolution, the recommended one, or 8 megapixels resolution. This is how to change this. When I change the ratio from 4:3 to 16:9, as you can see in the preview, also here we have the change of the ratio. The resolution here is available 9 megapixels recommended one, or 6 megapixels. And when I go from 16:9 to 21:9, here we have the difference. And in the resolution we have 6 and 9 megapixels resolution recommended one, or 4 and 6 megapixels resolution. So this is how to manage this. When we go back to the settings and pick the internal camera photo size, we have the same ratios 4 and 3, but this is connected with the different resolution. For 4 and 3 we have 20 megapixels or 5 megapixels, the recommended one. To 16 and 9 we have 15 and 1 megapixel resolution, or 3 and 8 megapixels resolution, the recommended one. And to 21 and 9 we have 11 and 5 megapixels resolution, or 2 and 9 megapixels resolution. So this is how to change this is how to manage it. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.